Having been brought up in a world where two people opening the same Office document resulted in one person only being able to view and not edit, we've been sceptical about the user experience of joint editing. We decided to put it to the test. In this test, two users are sharing an Excel spreadsheet in Teams. You can clearly see which cell another user is editing, as it is shown in a different colour and has their initials in the corner. This is useful because it means that multiple people can input data at the same time, whilst being able to see who is editing which cell. Any reports which are derived from the data being input can be updated by right-clicking and pressing refresh. The same functionality can also be achieved when one person is editing the document from the desktop app and others are editing through Teams. The other users are displayed in a different colour and their name is shown when you hover over the cell that they are editing. This makes collaborating on a document with multiple users simple and efficient. Springboard IT, making IT work. For more information, please visit springboardit.co.uk.